Okay guys, we're going to be checking out this setup and see how we can use it to trade boom and crash. Okay, and of course guys, if you have been looking for an easy way to make $50 to $100 on daily basis, then you need to watch this video to the end, because this will truly help you to achieve this without any hiccups. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, okay, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. It is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, learn my strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So just the way you guys are seeing it, you can see this yellow flag with the blue arrows with it, and of course you can see the red colored items also on the chart, okay, with the red arrows. Okay, so the red flag shows that the market is on downtrend at that particular point, but if you should notice, it has gotten to this support zone. I've always been explaining this in my videos that once it gets to the to the support zone, there are two things that are most likely to happen around here. It is either there is a breakout below this support zone, or there is a change in direction of the trend. Okay, so this is very important. So all you just need to do is just to make sure you highlight that area, just the way I did around here. Okay, you can see it played around the support zone for a very long time. Sometimes it usually do that, and of course the reason for that is that it's trying to see if it can break out below the support zone, or probably change the direction of the market, which it was finding it difficult at that particular point. Okay, and of course right from there it came down again to the support zone around there. It was unable to break out below it, and it broke out, and even broke out from this particular resistance zone. Okay, from this particular resistance zone around here, and it, of course, bought for a very long time. Okay, so this is very important. So where should you come in to trade the market? Okay, the first thing is that this has actually got into the major support zone, so you should wait for the uptrend signal. Okay, that is if it is not breaking out from the support zone. Okay, so we got the yellow flag, which is the uptrend signal, so which means we can come in once we get the blue arrow. So we've gotten the blue arrow earlier, so we can decide to come in around here, and immediately you place your order. You should also place your stop loss down here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, you should also place your stop loss down here. So and right from there you now allow the market to play its game. Okay, so it started buying right from there. And of course let me make use of this. It got to this region. We want to know if it will break out from here this time around, and of course guys, it broke out from there and it went up till it got to this region. Okay, and of course this time around, this your stop loss is no longer useful again. Okay, so I mean, it's no longer useful around here again. So all you just need to do is just to drag it up, okay, and claim 40% of the profit at this point. Okay, because the market is still very new and it is still going. It has the potential of buying more. Okay, so it came down a bit and bought more and more. Okay, at this point I expect you to lock up more profit for yourself this time around. You should lock up 50 to 60% of the profit for yourself this time around, because you now have enough profit to play around with. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this came down a bit and went up, came down, went up. Okay, at this stage I expected to lock up more, 70 to 80%. Okay, at this point, till it gets to this major resistance zone, and as it is approaching the major resistance zone, lock up 80% of the profit. It is at this point, it is either you close your trade or you lock up 80% of the profits and expose 20% of your profits to the market in order to see if you will make more profits or not. Okay, so if you are not going to be making more profit, that means you will be losing the 20% once it hits your stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important, and the rest of the 80% will go straight to your balance. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. I want you guys to go back to the to your platform right now, to your charts right now, and try out this strategy, most especially if you are having this trading indicator. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.